All right, we are now at the second to last level, level 7, a small checkered floor. Um, and here it gave us the code that we used last time. And this is how I solved it. Maybe you have a slightly different way to do it. Hopefully you did use the repeat. If you didn't use the repeat, then it's going to be a lot more difficult for this one, and especially the next level. Let's read what we're supposed to do for this one. It says, a small checkered floor. The king now wants to adapt the latest fashion. He thinks this is to have a checkered floor. Fortunately, a checkered floor is easy to paint by first painting horizontal stripes, then vertical stripes, as you see in the image below. So, first this, and then this. You can actually repeat the order, it doesn't really matter. But it'll turn into like this. Then we need to repeat these two, and then it's going to work just fine. Okay. This time I might need to copy a bit more in order to get this whole thing working. Okay, so if I push play here, it should work from my last time. Oop, it was a little bit fast, but I do have this whole thing finished. But note, when I am finished with this program, this is where my robot is. So what I really want to do is I want to continue on from there. Now I want to draw my lines down and back just like I did before. So I think the easiest thing for me to do here is simply start a second whole repeat column so that I can build the second section. And I'm just going to type it in, repeat, like that, and then I'm going to open a bracket, skip down, and close a bracket. Okay, so here I am good. I've got these horizontal lines going. And then down here, what I'm going to need to do now is build something to make it repeat the other lines. I'm just going to get one line going here. And let's see, if I'm here to start with, well, I probably want to get to a good starting position. I think I'm actually going to turn it right. That's right. So it's facing down. And that's not in the repeat because I only want that to happen once. If I put it in the repeat, it'll happen a bunch of times, right? Okay, so then it'll turn right after this. Like, actually, we can see if I push play real quick. I'm going to turn it all the way up. Cool. Now this is the ending point, and I'm right here. Okay, so I want it to go forward, weirdly, even though it's facing down, but it's forward for the robot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll go forward 5. Then we're going to go back the same amount. Backward. Is it backward? Actually, I don't know what it is. Backward it is. Backward 5. And then boom, boom, that way. Oh no! Oh, I put... Oh, and I have stop painting. Oh, I need to change my painting here too. That's right. Okay, so before I go down my forward, I need to paint white. And then when I'm done with that, I want to stop painting. And then if I play now, okay, I got one done. This is as far as I'm going to go in this one, actually. And you guys now can see how I did at least one. I might want to make it a little bit nicer so they're all even there. But you're going to have to figure out a way to add in a little bit of commands in order to move the robot over one and then make it repeatable to turn this whole thing into a checkered floor. But we are really, really close, and I'm confident that you guys can figure out the rest from here. So good luck. If you have a question, send me an email.